In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all tools in Adobe Reader. When you open any document in Adobe Reader, you will notice that the All Tools section appears on the left side of your screen. You can manually close this section by clicking on the small X icon, but once you close Adobe Reader and open a new file, the All Tools section will pop up again on the left side of your screen. To hide the Tools pane permanently, follow these steps carefully. First, open Adobe Reader on your computer. If the All Tools pane is visible on the left side of the screen, start by closing it manually. Next, go to the menu located at the top left corner of your screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, make sure you are in the Documents section on the left side of the window. In the Documents section, you will see an option labeled Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. Enable this option by checking the box next to it. Below this option, you will also see another checkbox labeled Remember Last State of All Tools pane when opening documents. Make sure to check this box as well. After enabling these options, scroll down to the bottom of the Preferences window and click on OK to save your changes. Now, close Adobe Reader completely. When you reopen Adobe Reader and open any PDF file, you will notice that the All Tools section will remain hidden on the left side of the screen. By following these steps, you can effectively hide the Tools pane in Adobe Reader and prevent it from reappearing each time you open a new document.